Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to cook a big platter of food for under $5 in under 10 minutes. And it feeds 4 to 6 people. So let's get started. I have a bag of spiral pasta. I paid $1 for this bag. Instead of the spiral pasta, you could use spaghetti noodles, and these are beetroot noodles, or rice. I have a bag of frozen vegetables. This is Asian blend. Use any frozen vegetables that you like. I have a can of 6-bean medley for protein, and these are $1 at Walmart. And I have some mushrooms, and for these I paid $1.77. I'm only going to use half, so that's about 80 cents. So 80 plus 1 is $1.80, plus 2 is $3.80. And I'm going to use half a bag of pasta, which is 50 cents. And so that comes to approximately $4.30. And I have a pot of boiling water here. I'm going to add some sea salt, about a teaspoon. I'm going to add half a bag of pasta. Give that a stir. And if you place a spoon over the top of your pot, it won't boil over. So while that's cooking up, I'm going to go ahead and make my stir fry. And I have my pot on the stove, and I'm just going to add a bit of olive oil, a couple of tablespoons. I'm going to put about half of my mushrooms. I'll save these for another time. Just get those coated, get them started. I'm going to add my bag of vegetables. And I'm going to cook those down for about 5 minutes. And I opened my can of beans, and I'm going to pour those in a strainer and rinse. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and these are all fork tender. And now I'm going to add my beans, and just keep those on the stove until the beans are heated up. And while the beans are heating up, I'm going to add some seasoning. About a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of dehydrated onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix that all up. Pasta's all cooked, and I have drained the water. And I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil, or a tablespoon or so, some onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. I don't need to add salt because I added salt to the water. So I'm going to give that a stir. And now comes the secret, easy way to season your pasta. I'm going to add something for flavor. So you could add some salad dressing, or some barbecue sauce. Here's another barbecue sauce, or some sweet and sour sauce. Whatever you have in the refrigerator. Today I'm going to use my sweet and sour sauce. If you like it spicy, you could add some hot pepper sauce. So stir that around. Now I'm going to add a bit of dry parsley. You don't have to add parsley, but parsley has a lot of medicinal benefits. Okay, so now I'm ready to plate it up. So I have a large platter here, and I'm going to pour my veggies in the center, and I'm going to add my pasta around the outside. And I'm going to sprinkle with a bit of cheese. For vegetarians, you can use Daya. It's a cheese made from chickpeas. And that, dear friends, is a big platter of food for under $5 and in under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.